We have this problem. A manufacturer has a contract to produce 5,000 units of a certain device. The device can be made by highly trained workmen working individually, and the device can also be made by less skilled workmen working together if they are given specialized equipment and proper supervision. The highly trained workmen are paid 20 pesos per hour, and each can produce 1 unit every 2 hours on the average, while the specialized equipment can be placed in operation at an original cost of 60,000, that is 60,000 pesos, and it will be worthless at the time all the 5,000 units are manufactured. With this equipment, foremen paid 15 pesos each per hour, and a foreman paid 25 pesos per hour. All the 5 men working together can finish 1 unit in 15 minutes. Now we need to determine the gain or loss if the specialized equipment is used. So ang question or ang kailangan daw natin gawin is kailangan nating malaman kung kikita ba tayo or malulugi kapag ang pinili natin na gamitin ay yung specialized equipment, which is, di ba sila yung mga less skilled workmen? Dahil nga hindi sapat yung skill nila, bibigyan natin sila ng specialized equipment na magagamit para ma-serve pa rin yung purpose na kailangan natin. Okay? So, syempre, in order to know kung kikita ba tayo or malulugi, dapat alam din natin magkano ang magagastos natin kay highly trained. Para makita natin na, okay pala, mas mura pala si specialized equipment. Or, ay, malulugi pala tayo kapag less skilled yung ating pinili. So, tingnan muna natin. I-solve muna natin, unahin si highly trained. So, we have highly trained workmen. Yung highly trained na yon, ang sabi dito sa problem, ay binabayaran daw natin ng 20 pesos kada oras. Okay? And each can produce 1 unit every 2 hours. Pero, yung isang piraso natatapos nilang gawin within 2 hours. Okay? So, 1 piece is to 2 hours. Yun ang kanilang ratio. Therefore, mahalaga na alamin muna natin ilan yung total number of hours to finish yung order sa atin. Total number of hours to finish 5,000 units. Bakit 5,000? Kasi 'di ba, yun yung kailangan nating i-produce. Okay? Sabihin ko na lang tong hours. Total hours to finish 5,000 units. So ano nga ulit ang sabi? Ang isang piraso ay natatapos nila within 2 hours. Therefore, kung 5,000 ang kailangang i-produce, then we multiply it by 2 hours. That will give us, gaano katagal? We have 10,000 hours bago matapos yung lahat ng 5,000 units. Therefore, kung 10,000 hours, si highly trained ay magtatrabaho within 10,000. So we have here labor cost, yung babayad natin dun sa magtatrabaho. So we have 10,000 times, magkano ang binabayad natin kada oras? 20 pesos. So 10,000 times 20 pesos, that is equal to 200,000 pesos. Okay? That is for highly trained pa lang. Hindi pa natin pwedeng sabihin, mahal pala si highly trained. We need to compute also for the less skilled. Titingnan, di ba ipapag-compare nga natin kung makakamura ba tayo or malulugi tayo kapag yung less skilled yung pinili natin. So we have less skilled workmen. Lagay ko na lang with equipment para hindi kayo malito. So with equipment. Sila yung gagamit ng specialized equipment. Okay? So, ang sabi naman dito, yung mga less skilled daw ay same lang yung magagawa or makakapag-produce pa rin ng 5,000 units basta meron silang specialized equipment and proper supervision. Then, with this equipment, foremen paid 15 pesos each per hour and the foreman paid 25 pesos per hour. All the 5 men working together can finish 1 unit in 15 minutes. Ibig sabihin, nakakatapos sila ng isang piraso sa loob ng 15 minuto. Tama ba? So, ilan yung total number of hours? So, we have here, again, yung kailangan nilang i-produce 5,000 pieces or units. Natatapos sila ang isa within 15 minutes. Then, kung mapapansin nyo kasi, yung mga ibabayad natin doon sa labor or doon sa mga trabahador is per hour. Okay? Kada oras. Kaya itong minutes natin, i-convert na natin into hours para diretso na. Then we have 1 hour. So in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. Tama? So divide by 60 and that is equal to, in hours, 1,250 hours. Mas mabilis. Okay? But then tingnan natin, computing natin yung labor cost. Ano ang sabi sa labor cost? 4 na tao ay babayaran natin ng 15 pesos. So we have here 4 times 15. Then, di ba, meron silang isang foreman. So, plus, magkano bayad kay foreman? 25 pesos. Then, huwag kalimutang i-multiply dun sa total number na magtatrabaho sila. Eh, di ba, 1,250 hours para matapos yung 5,000 units. And that is equal to 106,250 pesos. Okay? So, hindi pa tayo natatapos doon kasi 'di ba meron silang gagamiting equipment. Eh sabi dito sa problem, yung equipment daw ay nagkakahalaga na 60,000 pesos. Eh di syempre isasama pa natin sa gastos natin yon. So, ilagay ko na lang dito is equipment cost. Okay? So, yung equipment cost ay nagkakahalaga ng 60,000. We have 60,000 pesos. Then, syempre, dahil dalawa na yung expense natin, we have the labor and the equipment cost. Let's compute for the total cost. Okay? Yung total cost, yung kabuuang gastos mo, considering kay less skilled. So, that is, para makakompute mo syempre yung total cost, i-add mo lang. You have 106,250 plus 60,000 for the equipment, and that is 166,250 pesos. So, ito yung total cost mo kay less skilled. Ngayon, we already have the expense kapag highly trained at kapag less skilled. Eh, ang question, again, before making conclusion, you read first what is being asked. Determine the gain or loss if the specialized equipment is used. So, kailangan nating malaman kung kumita ba or malulugi. Paano natin malalaman? So, let's first compute for the difference. Difference ng highly trained, nung expense mo sa highly trained at saka dun sa less skilled workmen na gagamit naman ng specialized equipment. Okay? So, since na-compute naman na natin ito, edi substitute na lang natin yung mga values. We have difference is equal to Kay highly trained, gagastos tayo ng 200,000. Then kay less skilled is 166,250 pesos. And that is equal to 33,750 pesos. Since yung lumabas na difference is positive, therefore, we can say na ito ay gain. Okay? Ito ay kinita natin. So, lagay natin, this is gain. But, kung halimbawa negative yung naging sagot, we have negative 33,750, that indicates loss. Kapag negative na, ibig sabihin nalugi ka na. Okay? So here, nakita natin na kumita tayo. Nagkaroon tayo ng gain. Therefore, ano na ang ating pwedeng conclusion? Let's write here, therefore, choosing less skilled workmen with equipment or specialized equipment will result in a gain of 33,750 pesos. And that will be your conclusion. Okay? So highlight natin. And that's it. That will be your solution for problem number 2.